Hello, how you doing? So today I'm going to make a fresh tuna curry. This is really simple to make and it is wonderful. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So as you can see, I've got a whole tuna here. It's been cleaned, meaning the insides have been cleaned out, tails off, fins and all the sharp bits have been taken off. What I'm going to do is I'm going to slice that up. We're ready to go. That's about 1.3 kg. Okay, so I've sliced that up. You can see that lovely, beautiful colour we've got from this lovely fresh tuna. You can see the sort of size I've done it, you know. Cut it like that, really good. Okay, let's get some spices and that on it. So as you can see, I've placed that into a larger mixing bowl. We're going to add some oil. Then I'm going to add salt, pepper, turmeric and chili powder. I've got 3 teaspoons of each of those. Only one thing for it, I'm going to go in with my hand, give it a nice little mix, nice coating, back in a moment. So I've got my wok here, got a little bit more of the oil in there. Now the oil, you can use sunflower, corn, you know, it's up to you. Coconut oil could work really nicely, mustard oil. Here, our beautiful coated fish is going to go in. I'm going to do it about 4 minutes aside. Then we can move on to the next step. Really, really delicious this one is. Okay, off goes the heat. What we're going to do is we're going to set aside our fish and we're going to reduce that oil down by about 60–70%. So reduce the oil down. Got some lovely flavours in there, of course. Still little bits of fish there. Keep that in there. Okay, 2 teaspoons cumin seeds. 1 cup chopped onion, fresh chili to taste, 1 tablespoon garlic ginger paste, as you can see in here we're on quite a high heat. We're going to go for about 3 or 4 minutes. Keep it moving. So absolutely nothing to this masala, so easy to make. I'm now going to drop in some tamarind. I've got like 2 teaspoons there. That kind of a nice souring agent. We're going to drop in our powders now. Let's have a look. 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon chili, 2 teaspoons coriander. Just a nice little mix. Keep it moving all the time. If you burn your powders, they taste very bitter. Now, 400 ml coconut milk. We're going to get the heat to medium now. Look at that, absolutely super fabulous. Couple more things, a little bit of salt, little touch of water, not too much. Then we're going to drop back in the fish, our lovely tuna there, medium heat. We're going to let that go now for about 7 to 8 minutes. You've done it, beautiful. Okay, off goes the heat. That is beautiful, really, really good. Check the salt level there. You might want to add a bit more salt. I'm super happy. Now, if you want, you could get a little bit of garam masala powder in there or some chopped cilantro. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to add a little bit on the end, just on the top. Let me get that on the plate. That is lush. And there you have it. I really, really, really love this one. Really simple to make, absolutely delicious. Get your rice ready. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. All right, thanks very, very much for making it to this part of the video and making it to the end of the video. Really, really appreciate all the views that we're getting. Just a little update. We're still living in the Kingdom of Bahrain. We're cooking like crazy. We're doing really well. If you want to subscribe, that would be fantastic, helps us out a lot. Thumbs ups are great, and obviously a comment. If you've got a comment to make, I'll try and get back to you if I can. But yeah, life's pretty good. It's not so hot at the moment. It's kind of cooled down a bit. Bahrain is absolutely beautiful, and this part of the world is beautiful when it comes to winter. It's cooling down and it's lovely. See you later.